10 years ago, Tiger Woods went into Akron, Ohio for a tournament. He was ranked #1 in the world. He was nearing $25 million in earnings. He was the sport's golden boy. He could do no wrong on the course. He was also the darling of every corporate sponsor.
Brand new from Buick. Powerful engine, smooth ride, and a booming sound system.
Well, 10 years later, it's a very different story. The first round of the Bridgestone Invitational is underway in Akron, and people are tuning in to watch Tiger for very different reasons. It's been quite a dramatic decline for Tiger Woods over the past couple of years. There's off-the-course problems everyone knows about.
I am deeply sorry for my irresponsible and selfish behavior I engaged in.
He's had injuries with his Achilles tendon, his knee, and also recently he unceremoniously dumped his longtime caddy, Steve Williams. And in Akron, the man carrying the bag for Tiger Woods is his high school buddy, Brian Bell. He knows Tiger perhaps better than anyone, but he doesn't have much experience as a professional golf caddy. Golf fans used to tune in to watch Tiger Woods because it was like watching a person who had perfected an art form. He was at the top of his game and people had never seen anything like him on a golf course. But now it's almost like the irresistible nature of looking at a car crash on the side of the road.